Okay, and this problem says how many ways can three cards be picked randomly from a deck of cards, such that both of them belong to the same, or such that all three of them belong to the same suit. This is their spelling's a little bit funky in these. Last one was suit, and without an e. This one's suit with an e. um, but math people aren't the best spellers. This is different from the problems before. Be careful about the number of cards. Remember, the choice of suits may also be a determining factor. This problem can be done without use a calculator. Okay. So that means like they're all hearts, or they're all diamonds, or they're all clubs, and so forth. So if I come down here, hearts, clubs, spades, and diamonds. This would be equals combin out of that 13. Pick, how many did I say? 3 cards. This one would be combin 13-3. This one would be combin 13-3. This one would be combin 13-3. Now I want to add those together. So 286 plus 286 plus 286 plus 286. And that would be our answer, 1,144. You could also simply have done equals 4 times combin 13, pick 3. So again, for each one, like in hearts, if we were focusing that they're going to be hearts, you'd have out of 13, we're going to pick 3. Same with clubs, spades, and diamonds. And then you multiply it by 4s, there's 4 possibilities.